This is a video demonstration of locator searches in Spectrum OneClick and how to use searches to quickly assign new maintenance schedules or change device attributes. Here is a quick review of how to launch searches in OneClick. Start from the Locator tab in the navigation panel. Double-click the Devices tree to expand and click All Devices. Click the Launch Search button. In the Select Landscapes to Search window, you can click Do Not Prompt for Landscapes again if you don't want to be asked which landscape to search every time you launch a search. In the Results tab of the Contents panel, we have the results of the search. If we right-click the header, it opens Table Preferences, where we can toggle specific columns on and off. We can also click and drag columns to rearrange them, use the filter to show specific entries, or hide specific entries. Clicking on an item will display more information in the Component Detail panel. There are more specific searches in here. If, for example, we expand ports, we can search by description. Or we can search by condition. We can use the Results tab to quickly schedule maintenance on the relevant devices. I want to change the maintenance schedule for the devices in one of our retail sites. So let's expand the Devices tree and launch a search by model name. I'm going to use Site 3 because I know all the devices at the retail site will have this in their name. I'm going to select all the devices here and right-click to open the contextual menu. From here, we go to Utilities, then Schedule Maintenance. I'm going to select the schedule I want from the available schedules here. 6 p.m. to 7 a.m. looks good. This is a retail site after all. They'll be closed during this time, so it's a convenient time for maintenance. We move over that selection to the left pane with the left arrow and click OK. When we select an item down in the Component Panel Information tab, we can see the new maintenance schedule. We can also use the Results tab to quickly change attributes on the relevant devices. I want to change the polling interval on all the devices at that previous retail site. Instead of using Shift, I can hit Control-A to select all. Right-click, go to Utilities, and the Attribute Editor. Expand the SNMP Communications tree, and double-click on Poll Interval. Uncheck the No Change box. I'm going to change this to 30 seconds. Then click Apply. The Attribute Edit Results window shows us all the devices and what we've changed. Here we can click Close and then OK to accept all the results. But we can also click Undo to undo the change on a single item, or we can select all the items and click Undo to just undo all of it.